You have a problem. They did not write you on the will, but uyayifuna le mali. You want the money. Don't worry. The truth shall set you free. Sulalela mntomnyama. This video is for you. Asiqale. This is you and your name is Begifa. Understand ukuthi it's a very sad day. You just laid ubaba wakho to rest and you and your brother are the only people left. But when the only thing esemqondweni wakho that's in your mind is EP will. Unfortunately, when the lawyer comes with the will and everyone gets to hear while the will is getting read, you finally understand ukuthi no, ubaba wakho left everything to your brother and when you get nothing, which is not a problem because it's not your money, but for Begifa, it's a huge problem. The only thing that Begifa is thinking about now is how can I get that money? Uputwa, my brother cannot get all of it. Whenever people want to fight the power and get imali yabo, understand ukuthi normally they use these steps. Some use a lack of mental capacity, claiming ukuthi ubaba or umama had some sort of illness, whether it's a mental illness like dementia or something else, claiming ukuthi when they signed the will bebengekho right emqondweni. Some people use things like coercion, under the influence, claiming ukuthi a family member thizeni is the one who made their father or their mother sign the will ezobanika everything. And some people claim ukuthi nope, the signature is fake, the documents have been altered. Understand ukuthi this is for amateurs. Don't be an amateur. Let me teach you, Begifa, how to get your money. Shh. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi South African law doesn't fully allow freedom of testation when dependents are involved. That means ukuthi wena Begifa, you can claim as a dependent. That means ukuthi you are fully dependent or you were fully dependent on ubaba wakho or uma wakho, and that person had a legal obligation, a legal duty to support you. So le mali nawe kumele uyithole. All of that comes from the common law duty of support, which are the estate administration principles of South Africa. Understand ukuthi what you can do is claim maintenance from those people abaltholile imali, and uthi leyo mali abazokumaintaina ngayo or abankunika yona is money to live or to pay off ama expenses akho. You can even claim education, housing from them, and understand ukuthi before banikwe imali yabo, those beneficiaries kuzoqala ithole wena i-inheritance yakho. The one thing that stresses you kakhulu Begifa is that you have nothing and you really want this money because you think it's yours. Lalela ke Begifa, listen to me. You will need to prove ukuthi you are the child of the person okade enika abantu imali wangakunika wena. Understand ukuthi you will need to provide a DNA test or maybe a photo or even a group video, a recording, or mawufuna you can bring someone as a witness to testify to the court ukuthi you are the son or you are the daughter of that person ongakubhalanga kwi-will, and if you can prove that, I assure you leyo mali uzoyithola. If you can prove that a verbal agreement happened whereby ubaba wakho or uma wakho promised you ukuthi lo muzi, promised you ukuthi le moto, le mali eyakho, then you will get lezo zinto because technically it was a verbal agreement. Understand ukuthi if you can prove he promised you something, you relied on that promised, you suffered loss because of that promise by having by having to paint the house, wash the windows, anything that you have done for that house or that car, then it belongs to you. If you can follow these steps, I promise you uzoyithola le mali eyakho. You deserve it. UBhekifa nje.